others. What is chapter name? Caring for others. Caring means हमें दूसरे का ध्यान रखने का, एक दूसरे का हमें ध्यान रखने का. Caring for other means we have to take care of each other. Care for others is the important part to keep up relationship with people close to us. Yes, we should take care of each other. हमें एक दूसरे की केयर करनी चाहिए. लाइक grandparents, mothers, father, uncle, aunt. Then those who are old people, we are going outside. If someone need help of us, अगर हम कहीं बाहर जाते हैं, अगर किसी को हमारी हेल्प चाहिए, so we should help them. We should take care of them. Like we are going to any temple, वहाँ पे सब नीचे बैठे होते हैं. Okay, because they don't have money. उनको पैसा चाहिए, तो we should give them money. We should give them food to eat, है ना. Beggar, जो beggar होता है, जो भिखारी होता है, we should help them. We should take care of them. Care can take many forms. Care करने में बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स होते हैं, बहुत कुछ होता है. At home, it might involve being parents. Yes, parents, we take care of our parents. हम हमारे पेरेंट्स का ध्यान रखते हैं. और looking after an elderly. Elderly में जो हमारे से बड़ा हो. Like your grandfather, grandmother, your elder brother, elder sister. Sick means जो बीमार हो. Yes, if your mother, she is not feeling well, okay, she has fever, so we should take care of her. We should ask, Mama, you want to eat food? Mama, can I give you medicine? Okay, we should take care of her. Disabled means जो कुछ कर नहीं पाता. Those who are paralysis patient, जो paralysis patient होता है, वो कुछ कर पाता है? No, they cannot do. They are disabled. वो कुछ नहीं कर पाता. So we should take care of them. हमें उनको खिलाना चाहिए. फिर हमें पानी पिलाना चाहिए. They cannot do anything because they are disabled. वो कुछ नहीं कर पाते. और needy members. Needy मतलब जिसको जरूरत हो of the family. Needy members of the family. अगर किसी को कुछ हमारी हेल्प की जरूरत हो, we should take care of them. Okay, caring for others means we should take care of others. हमें दूसरे का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. Like care for blind people. जो blind होता है, जो अंधा होता है, they cannot see. वो देख नहीं पाते हैं. If they want to go to canteen, इनको कैंटीन जाना है. कैंटीन में क्या मिलता है? स्नैक्स मिलता है, नाश्ता मिलता है. He wants to eat because he was hungry. वो बहुत भूखा है और उसको खाना है. So he will ask that the कैंटीन कहाँ है, मुझे जरा ले जाओ. तो हमें उसको हाथ पकड़ के ले जाना चाहिए. We should hold their hand and we should take care of them. वो जो बोलता है वहाँ हमें उसको ले जाने का. And we will tell that please tell to that person कि समोसा दे. So we should take samosa from that person because we have to give that people. Okay. Those who cannot walk, जो चल नहीं पाता, okay, we have to take care of them also. Care for old people. Old people means those who are old, जो बुढ़े होते हैं, that is old. ओल्ड मीन्स बुजुर्ग लोग, जो बुजुर्ग होते हैं, बुजुर्ग, हिंदी में बुजुर्ग लोग, ओल्ड पीपल में बुजुर्ग लोग। The old people are usually physically weak. They are unable to do their work. They may not be able to see, hear, or walk properly. They need rest and peace. We can help them by washing, dressing, feeding, and helping. We can go on walk with them and give medicine. Yes, now we talk about care for old people. The old people are usually physically weak. Those who are old in our house, they are physically weak. Okay? Like old people. In old people, all are physically weak. Old people are physically weak. And in everyone's house, there are old people. सबके घर पे grandparents, grandfather तो होते हैं. Who are they are old. कैसे है? बुढ़े हो गए ना, बुजुर्ग हो गए. They are old. तो उनका फिजिकली कैसे होगा? वीक. Okay, bones weak हो जाता है. They are physically weak. They cannot do anything. वो कुछ नहीं कर पाते हैं. Okay, तो उनका फिजिकली कैसा होता है? वीक हो जाता है. बोन्स वीक हो जाता है, मसल्स सब वीक हो जाता है, फिजिकली वीक हो जाता है. दे आर अनेबल टू डू देयर वर्क. वो काम नहीं कर पाते. दे कैन नॉट डू देयर वर्क. अनेबल मीन्स वो काम नहीं कर पाते. दे मे नॉट बी एबल टू सी. यस, व्हेन वी आर ओल्ड, when we become old, जब हम बूढ़े होते हैं, that time we cannot see properly. हमें ठीक से दिखाई नहीं देता. We cannot hear properly. हम अच्छे से सुन नहीं पाते हैं. और walk properly, and we cannot walk properly because we are already physically weak. हमारी फिजिकली ऑलरेडी वीक है तो हम अच्छे से चल भी नहीं पाते हैं, बिकॉज हमें दर्द होता है पैर, है ना, मसल्स मसल्स दर्द होते हैं, स्नायु, मसल्स मीन्स स्नायु, तो हमें दर्द होता है। वी कैन नॉट सी बिकॉज जो भी होता है वो आइज की जो नस होती है, नर्व, वो वीक हो जाती है, नर्व्स होती है वो वीक हो जाती है, फिर वो ईयर की जो नर्व्स होती है वो वीक हो जाता है, so we cannot hear properly, we cannot see, okay, they need rest and peace, उनको क्या चाहिए, आराम, and peace means शांति, peace means शांति, they need rest means आराम, and peace means शांति. We can help them by washing. Yes, we help them by washing clothes. We wash their clothes. They cannot able to wear their clothes, so we wear their clothes, है ना? हाँ, उनको कपड़े पहनाएंगे. Like grandmother, she cannot able to dress. कि वो खुद से कपड़े नहीं पहन पाती है, तो हमें उनको पहनाना चाहिए. फीडिंग में खिलाना, दे कैन नॉट एबल टू ईट, तो हमें उनको खिलाना चाहिए. एंड हेल्पिंग, एंड वी शुड हेल्प देम, वॉट एवर दे टेल वी शुड हेल्प देम. हमें कुछ भी बोलते बेटा ये ले आओ मेरे लिए, ये ले आओ, मीन्स यू ब्रिंग दिस फॉर मी, यू ब्रिंग दैट फॉर मी, वी शुड हेल्प देम. We can go on walk with them and do medicine. If they will tell बेटा चलो मेरे साथ वॉकिंग करने चलो, प्लीज यू वॉक विथ मी, आप मेरे साथ वॉकिंग करने चलो, तो हमें उनके साथ वॉकिंग करना चाहिए. एंड टाइम टू टाइम वी हैव टू गिव देम मेडिसिन. यस, ओल्ड पीपल दे नीड मेडिसिन बिकॉज उनको बहुत सारी बीमारियां आती है. सम आर गुड, मतलब some are good in health, some old people are good in health. जो बुजुर्ग लोग होते हैं उनकी हेल्थ अच्छी होती है और कोई की हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं होती, so they need medicine. तो उनको क्या चाहिए, मेडिसिन. so we should give medicine time to time to our grandparents. जो उनकी बीमारी हो, उसकी जो मेडिसिन होती है वो हमें उनको मेडिसिन देना चाहिए. We have talked about care for old people. Now we talk about care for sick people. Sick means those who are not well. जो बीमार होते हैं, sick people. Sick means बीमार. Those who are not feeling well. Care for sick people. Sick means जो बीमार होता है उसकी केयर हमें करनी चाहिए. Some people become sick due to illness. They are unable to work. They are unable to do any work. They also become weak they need love and constant encouragement. एनकरेजमेंट मीन्स सपोर्ट. उनको हमारी सपोर्ट की जरूरत होती है. जो बीमार होते हैं ना उनको दे रेस्ट इन वाइल. कंफर्टेबल peace, comfortable place with plenty of fresh air and light. We can help them in many ways. We can spend time with them to make them happy. We should accompany them to the doctor if there is a need. Yes, now we'll talk about care for sick people. Sick means जो बीमार होता है वो. जो बीमार होता है हमें उनकी ध्यान रखनी चाहिए. Some people become sick due to illness. Some people become sick due to illness. Yes, some people they become sick due to illness because उनको जो बीमारी होती है उसकी वजह से वो बीमार हो जाते हैं. Yes, they are unable to do any work. They are unable to do any work. They cannot do their work. They cannot do any work because they are sick. Because already they are sick. वो already बीमार है तो कैसे काम कर पाएगा? कोई काम कर पाएगा? No, because they are physically weak. They also become weak. It's not compulsory that old people can become weak. When we are not feeling well, that time we become weak. जब हम बीमार होते हैं, हमारी तबीयत ठीक नहीं होती है, तब हम weak हो जाते हैं. Yes, they need love and constant encouragement. तभी उनको क्या चाहिए? तभी उनको प्यार चाहिए. और encouragement, constant encouragement means support. Those who are not feeling well, those who are not well, हमें उनको हमारी सपोर्ट की जरूरत होती है. Those who are not feeling well, those who are not well, and sometimes they become sick. कभी कभी वो बीमार हो जाते हैं, तब उनको हमारी सपोर्ट की जरूरत होती है. So we should take care of them. They rest in a quiet. When they are not feeling well, where they rest, there is enough quiet. मतलब जहाँ शांत होता है वहाँ पे उनको आराम करना चाहिए. comfortable place wherever they are comfortable. जहाँ उनको comfortable feel हो वहाँ उनको आराम करना चाहिए. With plenty of fresh air. Comfortable with plenty of fresh air. और जहाँ fresh air होता है वहाँ उनको थोड़ी देर बाहर बिठाने का. So they will feel fresh. क्योंकि थोड़ा घर से बाहर निकलता है तो they will feel fresh. उनको fresh feel होगा. And like we can help them in many ways. हम उनको बहुत कुछ चीजों में हम उसको हेल्प कर पाते हैं. We can spend time with them to make them happy. We can spend time. हम उनके पीछे टाइम निकालते हैं with them to make them happy. उनको खुश रखना. Those who are sick people, if you spend time behind them and you do entertainment with them, now तो उनको आधा दर्द तो उसमें ही चला जाता है. Those who are sick people, जो बीमार होता है उसके साथ मजा मस्ती करोगे तो उसको तो कुछ याद ही नहीं आएगा, वो फटाक से ठीक हो जाएगा वो बंदा. Okay, we should accompany them to the doctor if there is a need. और जब भी अगर ज्यादा बीमार हो जाते तो हम उनको कहाँ ले जाना चाहिए? डॉक्टर के पास. अगर जरूरत हो तो कहाँ ले जाना चाहिए उनको? डॉक्टर के पास. So we should take care of sick people. We should take care of our grandparents, grandfather, grandmother. We should take care of old people. We should take care of sick people. Okay. Care for physically challenged people and those who are physically weak. Okay, those who are not able to hear when they become old. Okay, they are not able to hear, they are not able to see, they cannot walk. So we should take care of them. It's not compulsory only old people. Those who are small, those who are from small, those when they are born, तभी वो born होते हैं, तभी से कोई बच्चा सुन नहीं पाता. Yes, and some cannot talk also, कोई बोल भी नहीं पाता. So we should take care of that people also. It's not compulsory कि old people ही ऐसे होते. No, some are small. जब उनका born होता है, okay, वो born से ही वैसे होते. जब उनका जन्म होता है, जन्म से ही उनका physically problem होता है. So we should take care of that people also. Care for physically challenged people. Care for physically challenged people. Like physically challenged people have special characteristics. They are unable to see, hear, walk or speak. Physically challenged people have special characteristics. They are unable to see, hear, speak, or walk. do not understand anything. Care for physically challenged people. We have to take care of physically challenged people, those who are physically weak. The physically challenged people have special characteristics. It's not compulsory that this person is physically weak. He cannot do anything. He can do because they have some special characteristic in that. उनको कुछ स्पेशल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होता है उनकी बॉडी में. They have creative mind. They can do some activity also. Those who are like physically challenged people, they have some special in that. उनमें कुछ ऐसा स्पेशल होता है. They are special person. Okay. The physically challenged people have special characteristics. They are a special people. They are smart. They are unable to see. मतलब उनको दिखाई नहीं देता. Unable to see means they cannot see. Hear, they cannot hear. Walk, they cannot walk. Speak, they cannot speak. Some of them do not understand anything. और कोई ऐसे भी होते हैं उनको कुछ समझ में भी नहीं आता. Understand means they cannot understand. उनको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. They also live and do the things that we do, but in a different manner. They can do their work, but they can do their work in different manner. वो कुछ अलग तरीके से अपना वर्क करता है. Such as blind people cannot see. Like blind people, जो अंधे होते हैं, जो लोग बेचारे अंधे होते हैं, they cannot see. उनको नहीं दिखाई देता. They understand what the other person is saying by that. वो कुछ समझते हैं, be aware of it. Understand means be aware of. They understand what the other person is saying by that. ऐसे सोचते कि यार ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, मेरे बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं ये. Okay. By their sound, वो किससे सुनते हैं? Sound से सुनते हैं. They can read using a special writing with raised dots, like Braille script. You know that Braille script, they use dot writing. With the help of dot, they know that this is A, B, C, D. ये Braille script बनाया था. Louis Braille. Okay, he invented Braille script. Those who are blind, he made this for blind people. उन्होंने किसके लिए बनाया था? Blind people के लिए. And Braille, he was also blind. Braille भी कैसा था? वो भी blind ही था. They can read using a special writing with raised dots. They have special writing with raised dots like this. This is A. Okay. So this is A. Then B. So B is like this way. Okay. They have dots. They have special dots. Special writing is there. Dot is called Braille. They fill raised letter with the help of their fingers. How they recognize? They recognize with their fingers. This is A. This is B. This is C. They recognize with their fingers. Finger से recognize करते हैं. ये 1 dot है A, 2 dot है B, 3 dot है C. Like this way. They fill the raised letter with the help of their fingers on the paper and read. They recognize on the paper also. पेपर के ऊपर भी वो recognize करते हैं and they read. फिर वो read भी करते हैं. We should always be helpful towards them. We should help blind people. Those who are blind, जो अंधे होते हैं, हमें उनकी help करनी चाहिए. Now let us revise once again what we have studied. We have studied about caring for others. We should take care of other people, like care for old people. We should take care of old people. We should take care of grandparents. If a grandparents want water, so you will bring water for them. Your grandmother, she cannot walk. She wants to eat some. So what you will do? You will give them food. अब उसको help करते हो. You take care of them. Then now take care for sick people. Those who are sick, we have to take care of them also. Then care for special physically challenged people, like those who are blind. They are unable to walk, unable to hear. They cannot see. These all are the physically challenged people. Now we do the exercise. Take the correct option. The old people are usually physically strong or weak. They are physically weak. Some people become dash due to illness, old, blind, or sick. Sick people rest in comfortable place with plenty of fresh dash and dash, plenty of fresh air and light. The dash people may not be able to see, hear, or walk. Old people, they cannot able to see, they are not able to hear. Blind people can dash using a special writing with raised dots. Which dots? Raised dots. So how blind people can read? क्या करेगी वो? Read करेगी. With the help of special writing with raised dots. Now we have completed the chapter.